Good day, grade 10. This is your day 30, worksheet 2. It's about equations, and this is how things will be asked in a test or exam. All mixed kinds of equations. Okay, let's start. Question 1 says, solve for x. Okay, let's look at this one. First, we see that this is a fraction, and I can put this 2x over 1 so that I make all of them fractions. When I have a fraction, the rule is to get an LCD. The LCD in this case will be 12 because the LCD between 4, 1 and 3 is 12. Now I need to see, what do I do with the first denominator 4 to get to the LCD 12? I need to multiply by 3. So I take the top and multiply it by 3. So it becomes 3 and in brackets x plus 1. What do I do to 1 to get to 12? I times by 12. Negative 2x times 12 is negative 24x. What do I do with 3 to get to 12? Multiply by 4. So it's 4 times x plus 2. Okay, now I multiply in. 3 times x and 3 times 1 is 3x plus 3 minus 24x. And then I multiply the 4 in. 4x plus 8. Okay. Now I take all the x's to the one side and all the numbers to the other side. So I get negative 5 is equal to 25x. To get rid of the 25, I divide by 25 on the other side. So I get x is equal to negative 1 over 5. Negative a fifth. Okay, number B. Okay, first thing that I identify by number B is that this is a quadratic equation. The rule for quadratic equations is to get everything on the left-hand side so that I have 0 on the right-hand side. Okay, so I get everything on the left-hand side. By taking the 3 over, it becomes negative 3. Now I need to factorize that. When I factorize it, I get 2x plus 1 and x minus 3 in brackets. Then I set each bracket equal to 0 separately. 2x plus 1 is equal to 0 or x minus 3 is equal to 0. Then I take over the 1, it becomes negative 1 over 2. And I take over the 3, it becomes negative 3 becomes positive 3. Okay, so x is negative half or x is 3. Number C. This is a letter equation. So I'm not going to get a number answer. I'm going to get an answer with a lot of letters in it. First, I am going to multiply in the 2m. 2m times m is 2m squared. 2m times negative x is negative 2mx. Now I want all the x's on the one side. So let me mark the x's. Okay, I want all of them on the one side. So I take this negative 2x over and I take the 1 over to the other side. So it becomes mx plus 2mx. And on the other side I have 2m squared minus 1. The plus 1 became minus 1. Now I have actually 1mx plus 2mx's is 3mx. Is equal to 2m squared minus 1. Now to get x alone, I want to get rid of the 3m. So I'm going to divide on the other side by 3m. So the final answer is 2m squared minus 1 over 3m. Number D says to solve for x and y. So this is a simultaneous equation. You can choose any method you like. I chose to do the substitution method. Okay, first I'm going to take my equation number 1 and I'm going to get y alone. So when I get y alone, the x goes over, it becomes negative x plus 7. Alright, that's equation number 3. Then I'm going to take equation number 3 and put it into equation number 2. So in the place of y, I'm going to put that part in brackets. Okay, so I have 2x minus y, which is negative x plus 7, is equal to 5. Then I multiply this negative in, becomes positive x minus 7. 2x plus x is 3x, the 7 goes over to the other side, becomes 12. Then I divide by 3 to get the answer of x, 4. Now I have the answer for x. I need the answer for y. I'm going to use equation number 3 because in that one, y is already alone, and I like that. So I'm going to say y is equal to negative x. What was x again? X was 4. So I'm going to put 4 in the place of x. Negative 4 plus 7 is 3. So the answer for y is 3. In coordinate form, I have the x value first and then the y value. So it is 4, 3. That's it for today. If you have any questions, email your teacher.